The ballot or the bullet explains itself. We have a fight that's common to all of us against the enemy who is common to all of us. We all have the same problem. We suffer political oppression, economic exploitation, and social degradation. All of them from the same enemy. Today it's time to stop singing and swinging. All we've seen is hypocrisy. Generation that's coming up now can see it. This is why I say it's the ballot or the bullet. It's liberty or it's death. It's freedom for everybody or freedom for nobody. A new generation. America today finds herself in a unique situation. Historically, revolutions are bloody. Oh yes, they are. They have never had a bloodless revolution or a non-violent revolution. That don't happen even in Hollywood. Revolutions overturn systems. Today it's time to stop singing and singing and swinging. Of exploitation to integrate you into it. Revolutions overturn systems. Because if you don't see it, you're finished. We don't care anything about your atomic bomb. It's useless. If you want some action, you got to come on down